What are some red flags students should avoid on their LinkedIn profiles that might turn off potential employers? The first one is a profile without any projects. If you are coming from a technical background, it is important that you have projects and you give it one-line description as well. If you are a non-technical student, you can go for certifications or internships to make your profile more visible. And it is applicable to technical people as well. Coming down to second red flag, that is multiple switches. So if you are a person who has joined the industry and is changing the jobs after every 3 months, every 6 months, this is not right. It shows you are not certain about your choices. So make sure that if you're switching a job, you have a good reason, that's okay, but that should not be a habit. And last but not the least is obsession with extreme political opinions. It's good if you share your opinion, it shows you're intellectual, but the point is, do not get obsessed with it. Remember, I told you, it's not Facebook, it's a job portal. So be certain. All the best.